unlocking the mystery of racking your brain. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have come across, racking your brain. Ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and add another useful expression to your English toolkit. Racking your brain is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of thinking very hard or trying to remember something with a lot of effort. Imagine your brain as a puzzle, and you're working tirelessly to put all the pieces together. This phrase often implies a certain level of frustration or difficulty, as if you're pushing your mental capacities to their limits to come up with an answer or solution. The origin of racking your brain is quite interesting. The term rack refers to a medieval torture device used to stretch victims to cause pain. While this sounds grim, the phrase itself has transitioned into a more figurative meaning over time. Instead of physical torture, it now refers to the metaphorical stretching or exerting of your brain to think deeply or recall something. Let's look at how you can incorporate racking your brain into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. I've been racking my brain all day trying to remember where I left my keys. She's been racking her brain for a creative solution to the problem. We were racking our brains trying to figure out how to fix the mistake. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to fit different subjects: I, she, we, depending on who is doing the thinking. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternatives. For example, racking your brain, an alternate spelling sometimes used, though racking is more accurate. Puzzling over something, this means to ponder or deliberate over a difficult problem. Chewing over something, similar to puzzling, it means to think something over thoroughly. That's a wrap on racking your brain. We hope this exploration has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how you can use it to express deep thought or difficulty in remembering. English is full of such vivid expressions, and mastering them can make your communication more colorful and precise. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rack your brain over new phrases and idioms. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.